taking off your makeup without making your skin dry and flaky is a challenge, especially for dry skin like I have one, and I know the challenge of finding a perfect cleansing balm or cleansing oil that doesn't strip off the moisture from your skin and is capable of taking off the entire makeup or sunscreen wherever you apply. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a cleansing balm that I've been using recently, and it works so well for my skin that I wanted to share it with you guys as soon as possible. That is the reason I'm here with the video. So the cleansing balm that I'm talking about is none other than Beauty of Joseon Radiance Cleansing Balm. So this is the product. So let me just tell you, this Beauty of Joseon have been my absolute favorite skincare brand because their products are so good quality and the ingredient that they put in their products are always best for all skin types. This is the only brand that I recommend to every single individual, being it a beginner, advanced, or if you are confused when it comes to Korean skincare, like which product to buy, like go for this specific brand. Most of their products are amazing and I've used like almost all of their product. I feel like there are very rare products that have been left and I'm soon gonna try them as well. So today's video is gonna be about this cleansing balm. I got it for $20 from my local store TNT, and this is 100 ml of packaging. So I've been using this product from last 15 days I guess, and this is how much I am able to finish by now. It does come with the same spatula that you can see inside of this product. Now this is a very mild cleanser, but it takes off all your makeup, waterproof makeup, as soon as you, and it smells so nice. As soon as you put it on your skin, it gently converts into an oil kind of texture and helps getting rid of all your makeup. I absolutely enjoy the process. And talking about the texture of this product, as I mentioned, this is a balm type of cleansing oil that gently melts your eye, lip, or whatever makeup you have on your skin, and it also removes the sebum that is there on your skin if you are someone with oily skin. Now the major ingredient in this one include rice bran extract, which is always the major ingredient in all the Beauty of Joseon skincare. Because of this ingredient, your skin doesn't feel dry and it maintains the oil water balance of your skin as well. Key ingredient in this one include botanicals, butylene glycol, chamomile, and it does contain essential oils as well. So keep that in mind. If you are like extremely sensitive skin and essential oil doesn't suit your skin, then I don't think this is the product for you. And apart from this, it also contains ginseng, glycol, glycerin, rice water, squalene, and vitamin B. So as you can see, it is a combination of some great ingredients and it's a perfect balm for all skin types. So on daily basis, I generally don't use that much makeup. I only use my sunscreen, and if I'm going out, I prefer using my lipstick, blush. And today also I have only my sunscreen and lipstick on, and you can see how effectively it removes that as well. It is so good in taking off your makeup. So should you buy this product, I would say definitely you can go for this one. It has amazing ingredient list, it has amazing texture, it takes off your makeup really well. So it's like a 10 on 10 product. That's all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye bye.